A suitable crucible is vital for obtaining accurate and precise results in high-temperature DSC measurements. The properties and characteristics of the crucible significantly impact the thermal behavior of the sample material. Therefore, it is essential to consider various factors before making a selection. The choice of crucible material is crucial as it determines the compatibility with the sample material and the temperature range of the experiment. Common crucible materials include aluminum, aluminum oxide, platinum, and graphite. Each material has its advantages and limitations, such as chemical resistance, reactivity, and thermal conductivity. Select a crucible material that is chemically inert, thermally stable, and compatible with your sample. The temperature range of your DSC measurements should align with the capabilities of the selected crucible. Different materials have different melting points and maximum operating temperatures. Ensure the crucible can withstand the desired temperature range without deforming, reacting, or releasing impurities affecting measurement accuracy. The thermal conductivity of the crucible material affects the heat transfer between the sample and the DSC instrument. High thermal conductivity allows for efficient heat transfer, ensuring accurate temperature measurements. However, materials with low thermal conductivity can be advantageous when analyzing samples with low thermal diffusivity. Consider the thermal properties of the sample and the desired measurement sensitivity when choosing the crucible material. The crucible's sample capacity should be appropriate for the material available for analysis. Consider the volume or mass of the sample material to ensure it fits within the crucible without overflowing or compromising the measurement accuracy. Overloading the crucible can lead to inaccurate results and potential safety hazards. The design of the crucible plays a crucial role in maintaining sample integrity, ensuring proper heat transfer, and facilitating easy handling. Consider the following design aspects when selecting a crucible. First, crucible shape and size. The shape and size of the crucible should be compatible with the DSC instrument and the experimental setup. Common crucible shapes include cylindrical, conical, and flat-bottomed. Choose a shape that allows for uniform heat distribution and efficient sample handling. The second, lid configuration. Some crucibles have lids or covers to prevent sample evaporation, contamination, and heat loss. The lid configuration should provide a tight seal without interfering with the measurement process. Consider whether a lid is necessary for your experiment, and choose a crucible with the appropriate lid configuration. The third, heating and cooling rates. The crucible's thermal properties, such as heat capacity and thermal diffusivity, affect the heating and cooling rates during DSC measurements. Rapid heating and cooling rates may require a crucible material with high thermal conductivity to ensure accurate temperature control. Consider the heating and cooling requirements of your experiment and choose a crucible that can meet those requirements. The fourth, crucible durability. The durability of the crucible is essential, especially if you plan to reuse it multiple times. It should withstand repeated heating and cooling cycles without significant degradation. Consider the long-term durability of the crucible material to ensure its longevity and cost-effectiveness. Last, contamination and reusability. Contamination from previous experiments can affect the accuracy of DSC measurements. Choose a crucible material that minimizes the risk of contamination and allows for easy cleaning and reusability. Some materials may require specialized cleaning procedures or disposable crucibles for certain applications. The cost of the crucible is an important factor to consider, especially when working on a budget. Different crucible materials come at varying price points. Evaluate the balance between cost and performance to select a crucible that meets your experimental requirements without exceeding your budget. Selecting a suitable crucible is critical in performing accurate and reliable high-temperature DSC measurements. Consider the material compatibility, temperature range, thermal conductivity, design considerations, sample capacity, and other factors discussed in this article. By making an informed decision based on these critical factors, you can optimize your thermal analysis experiments and obtain meaningful results. Thank you for watching. Feel free to follow our channel and visit our online store. If you have any questions or needs, we will promptly answer and meet them for you.